Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a palladium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we get 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. A black MB Tex interior with a black panel lacquer trim. Sunroof. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats. Lane tracking package with active blind spot assist, active lane keep assist. A premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, convenience package, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLE has 60,524 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you want to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.